Hey guys, my name's Wellborn Ferrene. Welcome to my channel. Getting dirty. The channel is all about the farm. I grew up in South Carolina. I live in Los Angeles, California. I put together TV shows. That's what I do.
And now, on the side, I've decided to become a first-time farmer and plant pecan trees.
Does not look like farmland, does it?
This is my family's land. We have 150 acres, and you're looking at about 20 acres.
We just clear cut it of timber. We were gonna replant pine trees, and I said to my dad, why don't we plant pecan trees? And he was into it.
And that's what we did. But
I don't know, I'm doing this from like 2,000 miles away, and it ain't easy.
There's that tower for reference.
you'll see where we were, where we are now, and where we hope to be. You'll see how we cut costs, the tips and tricks that we used that worked, and the grand ideas that didn't.
My ups, my downs, my highs, my lows, my successes, and my failures, which there are many. I screwed myself with the Tyvek.
Look how black that root is.
It's dead. And that's what this channel's all about.
Billabong, baby.
If you like pecan trees and you like learning new things, I think you'll like the channel.
Welcome to LA Editor, Alabama King.
Like, subscribe, follow me on this journey.